2008 GMC Canyon midsize truck provides the ideal synthesis of pickup capability and powertrain efficiency, all while carrying up to 6 passengers in comfort.
Available in regular, extended, or crew cab configurations, the Canyon employs either a 5 or 6 foot cargo bed backed by a 2-position locking tailgate. Split-level headlights blend with a prominent GMC grille, matched by standard halogen fog lamps. All models ride on 15-inch wheels, with various designs and finishes offered.
Plenty of standard amenities are fitted across the Canyon lineup, including air conditioning, cruise control, and a leather-wrapped tilt steering wheel. 4-speaker audio with a 6-disc CD changer is offered and may be paired with XM satellite radio. Top SLT trim adds leather seat upholstery, as well as power seat adjustment for front passengers.
2 inline engines are offered, the base of which yields 185 horsepower as a 2.9-liter 4-cylinder. The top 3.7-liter 5-cylinder boasts 242 horses, pairing with 4-speed automatic transmission. Towing capacity maximizes at 5,500 pounds.
The GMC Canyon maintains its competitive edge among midsize 2008 model year contenders, prioritizing efficiency and practicality while retaining brawny style and sturdiness.